So it's 4:34 in the morning on April 26th, and so I just left my home, my camper. I'm camping out every night. It's wonderful. I love it. It's beautiful, you know? So, yeah, I talked to my neighbor, and this is the first time, well, it's not the first time, it's the second time we've had a conversation. The first time he was sober, and now he was drunk. And it's 4 o'clock in the morning, like I said. So, I live around a ton of addicts / alcoholics, but I'm really grateful for this guy because he likes to talk. He talks a lot. And he tells the truth, I think. Well, or at least what he perceives to be the truth. But anyway, he was telling me about, he's an actor and he came here for acting, and he's around my age. I don't know how old he is. I don't really care. It doesn't matter. But the fact that when we first met, I thought he looked very professional. I was like, oh, he must be buying some trailers or something. I didn't know he was going to be my neighbor. And like I said, I don't give because I was trying to relax at the time. It was about 5 p.m., but at that time I was so exhausted. The weather does something to me, you know. And I get up at 2, 3 in the morning. Like I said, it's 4:30 now. So I'm on my way to the gym, and my neighbor, he's always drunk at 4 o'clock when I wake up. He's always out there. I swear to God, he's out. Everybody's out to get me. That's how I feel. I know it's not true, but it's like, you know, I got to do, man. You know, I'm on a mission in Cleveland. We were talking about my neighbor, one of the, I don't want to say his name just in case. He told me I could film him one time, but he's an addict. And the first night that I came to Burbank and I got my place, and he was supposed to have it set up. He didn't have it set up. He said, dude, I don't feel safe because, you know, like I got my shit in here, and when I leave to go to work or whatever, you know, just watch I was like, dude, I got your back. I got you, man.